2025 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It brings drivers and passengers many levels of convenience with its automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.